space, no one can hear you scream. You might remember that as the tagline to the movie Alien, but it's only true to a point. While you'd never be able to hear spaceships exploding like you do in the movie, there are some areas in space where there may be enough particles to allow sound to travel, like the hot gas clouds that surround some black holes. If there was enough gas, you might even catch a faint whisper of what a black hole sounds like. Okay, if we're still making noise, it'd be a good time to talk about why there's mostly no sound in space. That's because space is a vacuum. But not completely. A vacuum occurs when matter is absent. No atoms, no molecules, no nothing.